Hello traders, the title of the video is the trading the traveler companies incorporated with market geometry. The travelers companies incorporated epic TRV, Tango Romeo Victor. This is an American stock. This tutorial is for traders that want to improve their market geometry trading, and also for traders that are trading American stock, and specifically those that are trading the travelers companies incorporated stock. Whether one is day trading, swing trading, or one is position trader, one will learn something from this tutorial. Sometime when we are posting video about a specific stock, a trader think that it's not for me, but it's not correct. Alright, you can learn something from this tutorial. So previously, I have drawn my pitchfork tool choosing 3 points. That's the first point, second point, and third point here. That's the red pitchfork tool there. From there, talking about market geometry, we measure the width of that pitchfork tool and we project it in the direction of the price because the price breaks above the red pitchfork tool. We project it in the direction of the price, bringing us to this green line on my chart. So we can say that the projection of the first channel, talking about the channel of the pitchfork tool, is this one here between this red line and this one here. As the price breaks above it, we project it one more time there. Very often, we shall say 100 times. Did you forget? Don't forget. Whether you are day trading, don't forget. When you project it one more time and a second time, if the price reaches the top of the second projection, usually, in theory, is considered as overbought. So you come off this channel, go into the second, now you go into the third one. All right? Two projections, you will say it's overbought. If you were here and you knew that, after you see how they push it to touch the top, it's an exhaustion. You see that candlestick bar here? It's an exhaustion followed by a bearish engulfment. You understand the message that the price was communicating to us at the top of the second projection? Bearish engulfment and exhaustion of the bullish momentum. What? And from there, because the minimum requirement to sell the concentrate line to be broken. That doji say anything is possible. Highlight the range of that doji, the high, the low, and the median line. Give priority to bearish signal below the median line of that doji, because if it's going to be bearish, it will be below the median line of the doji. It's going to be bullish, it will be above the median line of that doji on the monthly chart. And it was bearish near the median line of the range of that doji. That's how you trade doji candlestick bar. Alright, doji, that's a beautiful name, doji. Let me write it here, doji candlestick bar. Okay, so that's what's happened. And then from there, they showed it down. So where are we now? Talking about today, you say, Joel, all right, somebody that is trading travelers company incorporated, or somebody who is learning about market geometry. So they showed it from the top of the that second projection, so the third channel between that green line and this one here. So they showed it here. Where is the midpoint target? The median line of that green channel, which is the blue line here. Did you see a tail? Yes, you did. You see the tail there? Because some people, yes, that's correct. Is that exactly the median line? Yes, that's the line, the median line. You can adjust it a little bit more. That's there. So those who saw it there, those who created the bearish engulfment, you see, they stop at the median line of that green channel. Right, bounce up a bit. That's why he was retesting the common straight trend line here, and they sold it down. So that's the midpoint target. The ultimate target is here, the lower part of the channel. Did you see a bounce up there? This is a conversion point. So they sold it there and they bring it here. What do you see here? It's a bullish engulfment. So that bearish candlestick bar is completely erased by this bullish one. Bearish in government, bullish in government. But the price couldn't go up more. Where did it stop? Again, the media line of that projection. Are you getting it? So we have three projections. So that's the first channel, which is the media line, which is the pitchfork tool, the top of the pitchfork tool here, the lower part of the pitchfork tool. We measure the width, we project it out. We have the second channel between the green and the red. And this is the media line of that second channel, yes or no? Now it goes above it, we project it again. This is the media line of our third channel. All right. So when they are selling here, they want to bring it here. But the midpoint target is the median line there. As it comes to the ultimate target, they took profit here. That's this move here. Pull up. That's rally out. Those are bearish traders coming out of their bearish trade. But as they did, they push it to the median line. So what has happened here, that's what I'm talking about all the time, whether you are TSCW24 trader, TSCW-SY08 trader. We have a signal, TSCW24, 6 specific signal, all right? Or TSCW24, don't make it too complicated. Look for break below, retest, and then wait for the signal on the entry time frame. It's that simple. Go to the monthly chart, look for break below, retest on the monthly chart, and then look for the signal on the signal time frame. You can go to the 2-hour time frame if you are day trading with the TSCW24, look for break below, retest, and then go to the entry time frame, the first best time frame. Don't make it too complicated. That's what the price does. So you break below and retest the median line, and you see here, they sold it again. So you may say, Joe, talk to me about today. You're talking about the past. And I say, hold it, please. All right. So they sold it. They bring it to the ultimate target here. Price bounce up to the median line. They bring it back again to the ultimate target. So we have a kind of double bottom pattern here on the monthly chart. That's why people are buying on the edge of that green line, the lower part of our top channel. That's why they are buying here. But be very, very careful. Why you should be very, very careful if you are buying? The reason is, all right, the price is in a declining channel. If you go to the daily chart, for instance, it's going down, yes or no? So the dominant force is what? Bearish, yes or no? But we can't ignore that support level on the edge of the lower part of the pitchfork tool. Are you trading Travelers Companies Incorporated? This is what you need to know. Talking about market geometry. So now you understand why the price went up there, why they pull it back down here, and you understand why this one got a tail, why they are buying here now. But be careful, there is a declining channel. One of the 6 biggest trading mistakes, which we talk about at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, the violation of the market pattern. Ba-da-ba-bam. You see now? I'm now on the daily chart. What do we have? I showed you, declining channel, blah, blah, blah. So that blue declining channel, that's what you should use today if you are day trading and swing trading. You do not want to violate the market pattern. So for that blue channel, there is also again a media line. See now? That's what I put there now on my chart. You see? All right? So all I will say to trade at this junction, okay? So you like that well? Priority to bullish signal above 12302. That's this support here, the lower part of that green channel. Priority to bullish signal above 12302. All right? And priority to bearish signal below it. All right? If it's going up from here, be aware of the top of this blue channel. This blue channel on the daily chart. Okay, see, there will be some seller there. See, they sold it here. They sold it there. And they are selling on the edge of that trailer. So if they push it all the way here, be careful. Or if you buy a ball 12302 and it goes up to that level, be gentle. Know that there will be some people trying to sell there. However, okay, if you break below the green line and find a support and you are selling it, be aware of the median line. If you break below the median line and find a resistance, be aware of this one. That's all I will say to you. So all in all, after you have used the pitchfork tool, you have projected the channel, all you are doing, you are looking for a trading setup. Currently, on a monthly chart, it looks bullish because of this double bottom chart pattern that I'm talking about. But, very important, don't switch off yet. That candlestick bar that is forming a double bottom chart pattern is not yet closed. It will be closed on the 31st of December. So come back on the 1st of February to see whether it's truly a double bottom chart pattern. Because today is the 23rd of January 2019. If you want to play it as a double bottom chart pattern, as it is now, you need to switch to work with the weekly chart or another lower time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that okay, this week now, all right. Last week it closed bullishly. Now, because of the edge of that channel, you see the violation of the market pattern. Don't do that. All right. People were waiting for it to come near that edge, and also near. So there were sellers there. As soon as they came near, they were selling it. So there are people selling here. All right. So prior to bullish signal above 12302, and prior to bear signal below, be aware of the blue channel. You are now on the lower part of the green channel on the monthly chart. Anything is possible, but there are resistance ahead. Talking about the top of the blue channel, the moving of the 100, and also that orange trend line there. All right. So if I go back to the weekly chart to show you quickly, all right, you will see I connect this low and that low. So you may say which one? All right. The low of the month of October 2011 and the low of the month of November 2016. With those two low, I draw my orange trend line. That's the orange line there. So map out the chart, trade on the edge. Like you see this blue channel here talking about market geometry. Well, we will do the same thing. Market geometry can help you to make excellent decisions. And we are using that market geometry trading strategy to trade what? The Travelers Companies Incorporated. All in all, once we see a valid trading setup or a high probability trading setup, one example of a simple high probability trading setup, don't make it too complicated to yourself. Break below, retest, break above, retest. That's a high probability trading setup. We see a high probability trading setup, and that candlestick bar is closed on that time frame. We will now implement a different time frame trading method, or what we call a top-down trading method. Measure the width of that channel, project in the direction of the price. If it goes above it, if it goes below it, I can go like this. There's no hiding place for the price. When we are using the market geometry, we will pinpoint the hot spot trading zone, the best support or resistance level. Why do we need to know where are the key support and resistance level? Understand this, my friend. Understand this. I want you to understand this once and for all. Whether you are swing trading, day trading, scalping, taking from me, it's all down to support and resistance level. Find those support and resistance level. You must find them. And the market geometry will help you to identify not only the price target level, but also those hidden support and resistance level. And anytime you see a channel like this, what do we say? Don't forget the media line. Sometimes traders forget. But if you have been forgetting it, don't forget all the time. All right? Don't forget all the time. Okay? Don't forget the media line. Because, okay, you see how I show you for the green one? The professionals don't forget. They don't forget. They don't forget at all. You see, they are selling here. They know that the midpoint target is the blue one there. That's why the candlestick bar got a tail. And that one was that doji that you see got a tail. You see, that's why. They don't forget. And that's break below and retest on the edge, that median line. They didn't forget. And now you see again the lower part of that green channel. They didn't forget. You see again a tail coming down here. So they push it down. They say, oh, we better take profit. We exceeded the level of the support. You see another support here. You see the black one here. At 11041. That will do, that will do, that will do. Alright? So this is about trading the travelers companies incorporated with what? Market geometry. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. We think this is an essential tutorial that can help other technical traders. Feel free to share with your friends on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, okay, and Tumblr. Sometime I post video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is stochastic-macd. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today and be sure to click on the notification bell. Our YouTube channel is dayprotraders.com, dayprotraders, not .com, dayprotraders YouTube channel. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. All right? If you want to learn more about market geometry trading, go to www.dayprotraders.com. One can use the projection of the channel or pitchfork tool, the projection of the pitchfork tool. So when you go to www.dayprotraders.com, check out the pitchfork tool and also market geometry. Take your time to read everything and to watch all video. Don't just stay there for 5 minutes. Choose a good time for yourself and read everything. As always, if you are new to this topic, use a demo account, practice, until you master it. Don't mark the video down because you watch the video and you try to apply it, which I did myself before, and you have a losing trend. Practice until you master it. You'll face different scenarios, different challenges, but those challenges will give you a lot of experience and you will become a better market geometry trader. So this will conclude our discussion today about trading the Travelers Company Incorporated with market geometry. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. I thank you for watching and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.